Hello students. We learned previous video how to activate the environment setup. We learned, and this video we will learning about project setup. This is the example, as we will take project name as a product and app name as list. Let's okay. So here two commands here when we installing with this Django with this command will generate in the root directory, base directory, manage.py. Inside after coming inside this base directory, we will run this command. Okay, so let's start. Here I activated this environment with this command. Okay, so let's start. So you can see this feedback activated. Now run this command, Django admin Django. Before this you should install pip install Django. You will get this version 5.0.7. After that Django admin start project. My project name is product. Okay, so you can see here product. Will go this base directory product, here cd product. Now you can see manage.py. This is the base directory. Through this, when you are in a base directory, then only you can run this project with this command, python manage.py run server. Can see this server, local server. If you clicking control click, it will go to the Chrome, and you can see the running the server, Django server. And to quit this server, click control C. So we are outside the server now. This is the default SQLite database. You will get you now in this project folder. This is our project folder. This init.py file. This will help to this is no need to know about more. This is a init.py file, pre-installed file. This, and asgit py is a ASCII py, means it will help to run this project as with the asynchronously. And this is the home of the project file. We can tell settings.py file. Here we will set we will customize the base directory, app directory and all as the base directory. Allowed host means if you have a domain name or hosting service or IP address, you can allow for this your hosting if you having, for example, domain.com like that. And installed app, if you installed any other app, I will show you how to name it in this installed app, and all will come here also. And here the directories, a template directory, we can give this template directory. We will give now itself. Copy this base directory path and template, paste it here. Okay, so okay, we created template directory, and slash will name it as templates. Okay, this is the base directory, right? We will create in this base directory. This is our base directory. We'll create folder as a templates. Whatever HTML files we have, we create inside the template folder. Okay, was template setup is done. And this is the database. We have default database SQLite 3, and if you in the production you having different database Postgres SQL, you can set up here Postgres database also. This is a static root file and default fields. Okay, now we'll get you know about how to create a project. Now I will run this python manage.py file start app. You can see here this manage.py file right in this base directory. So this is the main directory. It will help to run whole file in this settings.py file. Here we have settings.py file. Here we this main this will take as a default environment as a Django setting module, and this will run inside the setting.py file. Inside the product we have setting.py file, right? That will run with this main.py file. So now we will run this command python we will run it in the terminal. Python manage.py start app name as lists. You can see here inside the product folder we created application start app as a list, and we have this is the main folder, this is the app folder, this is the project folder. Okay, so in this app folder we having init.py file, admin.py file, app.py file, and models.py file, and test views. So okay, so inside this is the settings and URLs we have. Now we created the start app with the command of this start app. We created this app as lists. And main thing in this project folder you can see root url.py. It will help to point out our URL. You can customize here also. For example, we have a link in this root URL configuration product.urls. we have inside the product folder we have urls. This is the main root file. Okay, so now when you're running this manage.py run server, we will get this red right. Okay, we will get this server, local server, and with the control C it will quit this server, and now we will migrate. After migration it will going applied. We have 18 unapplied migration, that's why we having this red. Then we will apply the migrate command. So we migrate, apply all migration. Migration is like copying all file inside the database. So when you running now without error it will run. You can see red showing red words, it will vanish. Here you can see. And now quitting this with the Control C, and we will create a admin panel. So admin user with this command python manage.py run manage.py create super user. Username as I will give admin, and email as any email address, as I will give my email address info@justpython.in. Okay, give the password. You should remember that password. Confirm that password. So we created. Now you should run this server. Go to this server with the control click and /admin. Okay, you will get this type of dashboard. Give whatever you created the username, enter it here, and password also, admin and password. So you can see this admin panel. This is our admin panel. This having groups and users. As we created now users as admin and email as this, and it will show as a staff we have created, right? That's why it is a staff status. Okay, now you can see all this in this next video we will learn about creating the models. In the list folder we will create the models. In this next video we will learn about how to create a models and all.